ever spend like that last minute or two in the bathroom before you mentally prepare yourself to go outside and deal with your kids? That's me right now. They're eating breakfast, they're good. Once I get out there, they're gonna be demanding me 10,000 things. So I'm gonna enjoy my last little 2 minutes in the bathroom, drinking my coffee, letting this skincare marinate on the face a little bit. And then I'm gonna go out and handle business with the babies. Want me to take more pictures of you? Yeah. You look so handsome. More pictures too? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing some running around. I am getting into plants. So I have this Majesty palm that I am trying to keep alive. I'm just starting out with my planting, I guess you could say, houseplant journey, and I'm really trying to get into it and learn. So it probably literally would cost me less to replace the plant, but I want to learn how to keep these plants alive. People in my family have a green thumb, and so I'm into it right now. So I put up a hanging plant. I'll show you guys a little clip of my current plants. I got a snake plant, a pothos, a Majesty palm, and a jade plant so far. And those are the plants that I'm trying to keep alive. So yeah, I'm headed right now to go. I need to repot. What I did was I took out the Majesty palm from the pot that it came in, because it seems like it's not, the leaves aren't yellowing or anything, but it seems like it's not doing so well. So I'm going to repot it because it seems like it's root bound. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to buy a new pot, and I bought like this cute planter basket at HomeSense, and I'm going to try to repot it and then put it there, maybe move it in a different spot in my house that has like a little bit more light. I want it for my living room, but the living room really has like no light. It sucks. So I'm gonna see how it does maybe in my dining room. I don't know. I just really wanted plants in my living room, so that's why I'm like a little bit bummed. But if it doesn't do good there, I'm not gonna keep it there. So I will talk to you guys later. I'm gonna take you along for the ride so that you guys could see. Okay guys, so as you can see, my palm is leaning. Look how it's leaning. I'm going to up pot it to here because I took it out and I noticed that all of the roots are growing upwards, so it seems like it needs to be in a bigger pot. So let's do this. Alright guys, so a little disclaimer, don't forget that this is my first time repotting a plant. Of course I would start with like the freaking biggest plant, right? But anyways, so as you can see, when you lift it out, you can see all the roots. So that's how I determined that I needed to repot it. So I think the main problem with this plant is that when I bought it from Home Depot, and it was outside, and at these big box stores, from what I hear, they don't really know how to take care of each individual plant, so everything is basically generic, and this plant is planted in really heavy soil, and this plant actually needs better drainage. So what I'm doing is repotting it into a bigger pot with a different kind of mix of soils. So the three soils that I'm using are the regular Miracle Grow potting mix, an organic cactus palm mix, and perlite. And what this will do is it should encourage drainage and let the plant basically get more thirsty in between waterings, and it won't be as moist and as heavy as it was in the original pot. So I added the new soil to the new pot, and then I just wanted to check for size. So I placed the palm back in the new pot on top of the new soil. But then I remember that I should water the soil so that it encourages the roots to basically branch out into the new soil. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I'm just adding more soil into the rest of the pot. So, rookie move. As you can see, I didn't make enough of my mixture. So, I had to keep on like stopping, adding more soil of each kind, and going back and forth. What I should have done was make like a big pot of the mixture so that I could just easily do it. But like I said, this is my first time repotting and I'm just getting into the groove of this planting thing. So, now I know for next time. You can definitely already see like how much sturdier the plant looks in this bigger pot. Like before it was leaning over, I had to have the twine help it like stand up. So once I repotted it and it had like fresh soil and it just already looked so much better. And of course, look at me here using my hands. Meanwhile, I have like gardening gloves and all that stuff. And I was actually on my way to the beach when I did this. So I'm like not properly dressed for gardening. I'm glad I went with my instincts and repotted it because I repotted it and it's now standing nice and tall. It was like leaning before, so I'm excited. Hopefully I do good and keep it alive. And this is the before and the after I repotted it and brought it into my house. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you're into these random kind of vlogs or day in the lives. My daughter is really into vlogging right now, my 4-year-old, and we've done some random vlogs, so let me know.